XRP will reach $1,000 once the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit ends. Welcome to Crypto Girl. Ripple is ready for a decision in the XRP lawsuit, but the SEC wants more time to pass. In any case, the SEC should heed the warning issued by its own chair, who stated that firms should not employ protracted privilege reviews to delay responding to ordinary document requests. The Securities and Exchange Commission has submitted a request for an extension of time to present its objection to Magistrate Judge Netburn's ruling on the motion for reconsideration of the DPP Ruling, which is not surprising given the current state of the case. Besides seeking an extension, the plaintiff is also attempting to file additional privilege allegations with the court in an attempt to have the DPP decision overturned. The SEC has demonstrated on numerous occasions that it is not willing to give up on this matter. However, it is now up to the court to determine whether or not it will grant the plaintiff's demands once more. The DPP issue is being postponed further, and Ripple is against it. It was stated in the petition that the defendants do not consent to this request on the grounds that they seek to avoid any delay in the determination of this issue by this court. In fact, Ripple Chief Legal Counsel Stuart Alderoty criticized the SEC's insistence, saying, "Imagine if we followed the Brady rule in civil enforcement cases as well, which in criminal cases requires prosecutors to share all information in their possession that could help or even exonerate the defendants." As Alderoty pointed out, the SEC should, at the very least, respect the caution of its own chair, who stated that firms should not employ protracted privilege reviews to delay responding to ordinary document requests. The SEC requests an additional 14 days. To be filed by April 29, 2022, the plaintiff intends to file a motion repeating its assertion of the attorney-client privilege, as well as a move asking permission to redact specific portions of the speech documents based on grounds of deliberative process privilege. The SEC is requesting an extension of time to object to the January and April orders until 14 days after a ruling on the SEC's forthcoming application renewing its privilege assertions with respect to certain internal documents related to a speech given by a former SEC official, the speech documents. The SEC is requesting this extension in the interest of judicial efficiency. The SEC also stated that the defendants are willing to go to summary judgment if a final ruling on the Hinman emails and documents is not reached within a reasonable time. Moreover, in another document, the SEC informed the court that it does not intend to seek any further discovery at this time. However, when liability has been determined, both the SEC and the individual defendants may seek to conduct fact and expert discovery confined to the disgorgement remedy, if appropriate, after liability has been determined. Ripple Labs news updates provide XRP support and a look at 80 cents per XRP unit. Following good Ripple Labs news releases, XRP is expected to recover to its previous values of 80 cents. The possibility of another breakout day would lend support to a push through to 85 cents levels. A positive update from Brad Garlinghouse on the SEC vs. Ripple case resulted in high XRP support, according to the key insights. The appointment for a former Ripple Lab advisory board member to become the Federal Reserve's vice chair for supervision was also a positive development for XRP. The most important technical indicators were positive. Following Friday's breakout, XRP is trading above the 200-day moving average. This week has been a bullish one for XRP, with news updates on the Ripple vs. SEC case providing price support for the cryptocurrency. On Friday, the value of XRP increased by 7.68%. After posting a tiny 0.31% increase on Thursday, XRP finished the day at $0.78526 per dollar. Do you know where Ripple is going? Take advantage of this opportunity now and begin trading. Trading derivatives has a significant amount of risk to your capital, and you should only deal with your money that you can afford to lose if something goes wrong. As a result, you should ensure that you're fully aware of the risks involved and get independent counsel if necessary before engaging in any derivative trading activities. If you would like to receive a product disclosure statement PDS, you can do so either through this website or by contacting our offices. A BDS should be examined before entering into a transaction with us. Raw spread accounts are available with spreads starting at 0.0 pips and a commission of $3.5 per 100,000 in transaction volume. There are no additional commission charges on standard accounts, which have spreads starting at 1 pip and no minimum balance requirements. Spreads on CFD indices start at 0.4 points and go up from there. It is not intended for inhabitants of any nation or jurisdiction where such distribution or usage would be contrary to local law or regulation to receive the information contained on this site. While monitoring the larger crypto market on Friday, XRP surged for a fourth consecutive day, defying the broader market's trend and outperforming it. This week, the expectation of a positive resolution in the SEC lawsuit has continued to provide XRP price support. Brad Garlinghouse and a Federal Reserve Vice Chair nomination expressed their support for XRP. Brad Garlinghouse spoke with CNBC on Thursday following Judge Sarah Netburn's verdict against the Securities and Exchange Commission earlier this week. The case has gone exceptionally well and much better than I could have imagined where it began approximately 15 months ago, the Ripple CEO reportedly stated during a speech at the Paris Blockchain Week. It was announced on Friday that former Ripple Lab Advisory Board member Michael Barr has been nominated to serve as the Fed's Vice Chair for Supervision, which boosted the price of XRP. On Friday, the White House announced that President Joe Biden intends to propose Michael Barr to the position of Vice Chair for Supervision of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors. It was announced that he was important to the passage of Dodd-Frank to ensure that a future financial catastrophe would not cause terrible economic hardship for working families, according to the statement. President Biden went on to say more. According to the White House, he knows that this job is not a partisan one, but rather one that plays an important role in regulating our nation's financial institutions in order to guarantee that Americans are treated fairly and to maintain the stability of our economy. In 2015, Michael Barr was appointed to the advisory board of Ripple Labs for a 2-year term. The price of XRP has changed. At the time of composing the script for this video, XRP was trading at $0.78756, up 0.29% from the previous day. As the day got underway, XRP rose to an early morning high of $0.79958 before attempting to break through resistance at 80 cents. Early on, XRP encountered resistance at 80 cents. Technical indicators are a set of indicators that show how well a product or service is performing. In order to break past the first major resistance level at $0.8122, XRP will need to avoid the $0.7702 pivot point. For XRP to be able to return to 80 cents levels, it would require widespread crypto market support. The second major resistance level at $0.8391 as well as resistance at 85 cents should be tested if XRP continues its surge for a prolonged period. The third major resistance level, which is currently at $0.9081, is the fourth major resistance level. An unsuccessful attempt to fall through the pivot would trigger the activation of the first major support level at $0.7433. Unless there is a significant sell-off throughout the day, XRP should avoid falling below 72 cents. On the chart, the second major support level is located at $0.7013. Another breakout session would be possible if the market were to rise past this morning's high. The moving averages EMAs and the 4-hourly candlestick chart both indicate a bullish trend. Following Friday's breakout, XRP is trading above the 200-day exponential moving average at $0.78215. This morning, the 50-day exponential moving average narrowed to the 100-day EMA. The 100-day EMA remained stable in comparison to the 200-day EMA, hence giving support. It would be possible to achieve 80 cents by lowering the 50-day EMA's distance from the 100-day EMA further. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more interesting content.